Black Houston's is one of the primary occasions where me, as a graduate student at Rice, have been able to be in direct conversation and dialogue with people who have boots on the ground throughout the city of Houston who are doing the work we talk about. This is the fourth iteration of our Black Houston Symposium. Each year we have taken on a different theme. This year is A League of Our Own, Sports and Embodiment.
We were just so excited to be able to integrate athletics into this conversation, to think about wellness. It just really came together in such a beautiful way. We have 3 different things that we added this year. One is a public historian, the dopest historian. We added a exhibit or highlight reel where we have a documentary about TSU homecoming. And then we also have the class bookstore that's selling books here. And then within the exhibit hall, there is images and structural recreations of the Astrodome. Yesterday, we were at the Gregory campus for the Houston Public Library. We opened up with a panel presentation that talked about sport as a way to think about coaching and mentorship. Black rodeo cowboys, these were like men in their 70s and 80s, and they had tails. Prairie View A&M University has this amazing farm, and so they actually had a panel where they talked about the way that food actually informs the way that you perform on the field.
They're engaging our practice and thought in a way that registers at the level of our feeling, and that is significant.